Alright, mechanics of YouTube, see if you guys can help me out. I have a 2001 Dakota RT, and it's making a whining sound. As you can tell, you can probably hear it on the video. But it does it when the overdrive's off. I'm sorry, correction. It does it when the overdrive's on. When the overdrive's off, you can barely hear it. It's coming from transmission. Whining sound kind of sounds like power steering pump going out. It changes with the speed, not with the RPMs. So I kind of don't know what it is. So if anybody has any information, let me know. Because I sure as hell don't. There you go. Anybody let me know. Thanks.